This video is going to show how to add due dates and late penalties to MyLab's Plus homework. First, log into the course you want, and then click on Course Tools. Next, click Assignment Manager. We're going to work with individual assignments. So I'm going to look at my first assignment, 5.0 Skill Refresher, and under Actions, I'm going to select Settings for Class. First thing I want to do is put in my due date. Remember, you can have work due a week or less. So I'm going to teach this content on the first day of class, on Tuesday the 28th. I'm going to make everything I teach that week due Sunday at midnight, or 11:59 p.m. So if I click Sunday, it defaults to 11:59 p.m. You can change that time by clicking on it and selecting a time, or typing a time in. And we also want to allow students to work on the homework until the unit test. So I'm going to check Allow Students to Work and Change Score After Due Date. Because I want students to only be able to work until the unit test, I'm also going to check Require Final Submission. And I'm going to make my final submission midnight the night before the test. So if I'm giving my test on Thursday the 9th, or I'm sorry, this is still August. If I'm giving my test on Thursday, September 6th, I'm going to make my homework due Wednesday the 5th at midnight. If you'd like to make it due just before class, you can. Now we're going to adjust the late penalty. So I'm going to check Deduct Late Submission Penalty. We do want it to deduct from the final score, so leave that alone. Their penalty can be anywhere between 10 and 25%. That's up to you. So I'm going to make it 20%. And I only want it to be applied to late work. So I'm going to check this box, apply only to questions scored after the due date. So I made my original due date 9/2/2018 at 11:59 p.m. Students will earn full credit for all work completed by then. Students will have until the 5th to complete any work with a 20% deduction. Students will not be allowed to work after September 5th. I'm going to scroll down and hit Save and Assign. Now you can also change due dates in bulk. Unfortunately, the late deduction you have to do individually. If you go to Change Due Dates and Assign Status, I can say I want all 3 of these homework assignments due on the same day. I can put the date that I want them due here, and I can also check Allow Late Submission and the day of the unit test that I want. So let's say that unit test was that Thursday. So I'll make it due Wednesday. I hit Apply to Selected after I checked those boxes. And Apply to Selected here as well. So I made my homeworks 5/2, 5/3, and 9/1 through 9/3, all due Sunday at midnight. I'm allowing late submission with a final submission of 9/5. Now I can scroll to the top or the bottom, and I can click Update All Settings. When it loads, it will take me back to the Assignment Manager, or the Due Dates and Assign Status, but I want to click to get back to the Homework Manager. Now if I look at my due date for that 5/2, I'm going to go to Settings for Class, and I only have to adjust the late submissions. So I'm going to deduct a late penalty of 20% and apply only to questions scored after the due date. I still have to save and assign.